मायकल लोबो आणि दिगंबर कामतीन आपलो स्वार्थ आणि सत्ते खातीर काँग्रेसीचो घात केला. ह्या दोगांयचेर खर कारवाय करतले. ह्या दोगांयनी पक्षान फूट घालपाचो यत्न केल्ल्याचे काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडूरावान सांगले. मायकल लोबो कडल्यान विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी पद काडून घेतले. फाल्यां मेरेन नवो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी थारतलो. ह्या दोगांय आड अपात्रताय याचिका दाखल करतले अशें गुंडूरावान सांगले.
This meeting itself, in this press conference, 5 of our MLAs are here. We definitely are in touch with some more MLAs, and I'm sure they'll also be along with us. And whatever happens, the Congress party will not be disheartened, will not be weakened. We will take up this issue in a more aggressive manner. We will take it to the people of this betrayal that is being engineered by two people for the sake of power and personal gain. They are willing to sacrifice all ideals, all principles to gain something for themselves. So this is the politics that these two leaders, these two conspirators have hatched, and this we are facing not only in Goa, but this kind of situation is being faced across the country. Because the Bharatiya Janata Party is using its money power, its institutional power, government power to see that those who can face them, those who can expose them, those who expose whatever wrongdoings they are doing, those people should be finished. And that is what has happened, and that is what is happening in Goa today. And all these people who had contested, like I told earlier, they had all sworn, they've given affidavits, they have sworn in front of all the gods. And today, they are doing this shamelessly. They are doing this in front of everybody. I think the people of Goa will teach these people a befitting lesson. Will go back to the people and expose the anti-people and anti-democratic work that is being done by some of our own people. I'm very sad to say that someone like Mr. Digambar Kamath, who has gained so much from the Congress party, today he is indulging in this kind of cheap, dirty and desperate politics. And of course Mr. Michael Lobo, whom we had made him our Congress legislature party leader, his behavior today has exposed what kind of an individual he is, what kind of a person he is, what kind of a traitor he is, what kind of a backstabber he is. I don't know, there are so many other words which I can use, but which cannot be used in front of the media because that will be unparliamentary. But it shows his character, it shows what kind of a person he is, and it is very saddening for all of us that these kind of people who want just their own personal growth at the cost of party, at the cost of principles,